FastestMind.com, where possibilities to win are endless. Am I right or am I just right, Ma?
Yes, of course you're right. Winnings is taking place every hour, every day, every week with mega dollar up for grabs.
That is correct. Just watch for yourselves.
FastestMind.com contestants that are under the age of 18 are advised to seek parental consent and approval before they register. The FastestMind.com cash awarding contest is available to everyone in Singapore. All Singtel subscribers, both postpaid and prepaid. StarHub only postpaid subscribers, not available through the M1 network. To enjoy and compete in the FastestMind.com cash awarding contest, M1 subscribers will need to buy a Singtel prepaid card. With the FastestMind.com cash awarding challenge, you can compete for cash every hour, bigger cash every day, and biggest cash every week. And in this video, you'll find out exactly how many and how big these cash prizes are. The FastestMind.com contest runs on a weekly cycle. Every Sunday at midnight, the running cycle closes and ends, while past midnight, a brand new cycle opens and begins. There are 1,358 cash prizes in every weekly cycle. Yes, that's correct. Every week, 1,358 FastestMind.com players walk away with cash. Now, see how it works. Every hour, 2 contests are running. You can win any one of them or both by simply playing and participating within that hour itself. The hourly speed contest generates 4 winners every hour. The hourly score contest generates another 4 winners every hour. Yes, 8 cash winners every single hour, day and night, 24 hours a day. This makes 192 hourly winners per day, 7 days a week. That's correct. This means 1,344 hourly winners per week. Only 30 minutes after the hour ends, 8 FastestMind.com hourly winners receive their winning notification messages in their inbox. There are another 14 much bigger daily prizes and a weekly. Every day at midnight, one of the 24 hourly speed contest winners who holds the fastest speed result for that day wins an additional $8,888. There's still more. Every day at midnight, the player with the highest daily total score wins $888. Yes, you can win every one of the big daily prizes or even both by simply playing and participating within that day itself. The biggest, grandest, one and only weekly speed contest winner's prize is $88,888. Within 1 hour past midnight, the 2 daily FastestMind.com winners receive their winning notification messages in their inbox. Every Sunday, within 1 hour past midnight, the 1 FastestMind.com player receives a long-awaited, well-deserved message saying that they are the winners of $88,888. Just imagine if that were you. Now you know all about the 1,358 prizes that each and every week are up for grabs and must be won by the FastestMind.com contestant. Every Sunday is a glorious $88,000 grand finale. Every Monday is a new beginning at the start line, with contestants all at par who once again start competing day and night. FastestMind.com never sleeps and keeps all its doors wide open. Every hour, day and night, 7 days a week. May the fastest win. All you have to do is be the fastest to reply correct to 3 multiple choice questions. Every week, the contestant with the fastest threesome of questions for that week wins $88,888. Every day, the contestant with the fastest threesome for that day wins $8,000. Every day, the contestant with the highest total score for that day wins $888. Every hour, the fastest contestant for that hour wins $288, while the second wins $88. Yes, every single hour, 24/7, day or night, be the fastest and you automatically become a FastestMind.com cashing winner.
Told you, I'm always right.